Hi, welcome to Let's See It. And my name is Charisse, and these are my boys, and they are going to help me doing a special unboxing where we are going to unbox HelloFresh. Okay, boys, let's start unboxing it. Why don't you show me these papers that are on the top? Are those the recipes?
Open for special offers, and it says lasagna style.
I think it's telling us what it's gonna have. So Tex-Mex cheese stuffed burgers with tomato salsa and potato wedges.
This is another meal. It's lasagna style tilapia. That looks really good.
Louisiana style.
I thought I said lasagna.
Monterey Jack unfried chicken with buttery green beans, potato wedges, and spicy mayo.
Monterey.
Man, they must really like potato wedges.
So these Something Fresh boxes come refrigerated.
This is a thermo blazer.
There's a thermal thing in there. It actually got shipped yesterday, and everything has coolers and stuff to keep these cool.
So cool.
You want to do burgers, Monterey Jack unfried chicken, or Louisiana style tilapia?
I'm feeling good with the cheese stuffed burgers right now.
Okay, that sounds
I've never
really good.
had cheese stuffed meat before, so.
Okay.
Okay, we have some cod right here.
That's the tilapia fish.
Oh.
I don't know what's wrong.
Whoa, what else is down there?
We got some ground beef.
50% fat.
Oh, that must be for the burgers.
We got some
Chicken.
boneless, skinless chicken breast.
Yum.
And we have some ice packages.
So, oh, yep, there's refrigerated. Here, I'm doing the unbagging. So we got cilantro, buns.
You gotta follow.
Okay, just make it work. Potatoes and tomatoes. Monterey Jack cheese.
These are small potatoes.
There's a few more things in here. So all of the fixings. Sour cream.
Tapatio. I mean, whatever.
Southwest spice blend.
Cholula hot sauce.
Oh, Chihuahua. That's good. Cholula.
Daily sour cream.
Something like that. Anyway. Alright, so that's everything. This must be my box that's for 2 people. I had to buy 2 different orders to get 6 people's food. So the other box over there probably has the rest of my stuff. And somewhere in there should be some cookies and brownies too. So what we do is you find your recipe book right here, and it tells you how to make the items on the back. Yep, it's very simple. You just do what it tells you to do, and then you cook it, and
Do we need a cutting board?
Okay, so here is all of the 6 servings of the dinner. So I'm gonna sort it all out and go.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cheeseburgers for everybody.
Is it all set, boys? All organized?
All
All right, let's go.
I used to always do this. Those tomatoes look so fresh.
Take a picture of James eating the last tomato.
He's like, nope. Look, you see? I got it.
James.
Eating all, he ate all of them. Do not do this at home. This tomato.
Potato.
I thought I didn't see it was split in half, and I pushed it, and it splits in half. I'm like,
superpowers.
So you want to cut everything, and you want to wash everything. Even though if it's in the packaging, it still needs to be washed. Like if it's in a little container, like how this was.
Oh, that smells good.
Okay.
What smells
yeah.
good?
Now all we have
James.
to do, it says to make the sauce.
I hear a sizzle.
Yeah, so she preheated the pan. Nice and toasty. Yeah, make sure you get all of it to make a delicious meal of cheeseburgers. Are you serious?
Like big right from the turbo. You just gotta stir and stir.
If you have a helper would be like really nice for cooking.
You having the olive oil, Joshua?
Ooh, look at those potato wedges. They're just getting nice and roasty.
I know, they're turning yellow. Like
The
French
oven
fries.
isn't on. I just got
One of the good things about HelloFresh is that they give you on-brand food whenever they make the cheese by themselves, but whenever it isn't made by themselves, they get on-brand food. Like this hot sauce in this sour cream from Daisy and Cholula.
Sauce in with the sour cream. Oh, believe me, it's gonna be yummy.
I'm only gonna put 2.
Is that tapatio?
No, that's Cholula.
Stir it up a bunch.
You gotta mix it thoroughly until it's like a pinkish orangish color.
Alright, that's good.
Whew. Smells good.
I don't know if you can smell it through the thing. You probably wish you could. It smells delicious.
The meat patties.
Gotta get all the juices and everything.
High five.
You put the seasonings in it.
Sean, I will.
Ooh, it smells nice.
Sean, I will explain it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. I will talk. This is my channel.
This is like
All right.
my channel.
Alright, so I'm putting in my salt and pepper like this too. And I already put in my spices. You want to take a picture of it, Sean?
Oh yeah, that looks yummy.
It's pretty good.
Who's gonna get the biggest patty?
I love the smell of this right now. It smells so good. HelloFresh.
Only if you guys can like smell through your phone.
Smells pretty good, huh?
Yep.
Yep, and we're gonna form the meat around it.
Here's about one
Sean, you better
third.
watch this.
Are you able to
Did we mention that it came in really nice packaging?
Oh yeah, one of the boxes came with cotton.
Oh, hold on, you gotta put a drizzle of oil in it first.
A drizzled oil.
That's why we have oil right there.
Is that veggie oil? No, that's olive oil. Listen to the sizzle.
Hurry, but because I gotta flip the upside down. Just put it in.
Oh, something you want. There's a hole in the patty.
So we have all of these done right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we might do more HelloFresh videos. If you like them.
Okay, well, everybody's eaten their yummy burgers and wedges, and we are very happy with our experience. As you can see from this family rating, we have a 10 out of 10, loved it, so full. 10 out of 10, a great and simple dinner. 10 out of 10, a fun and easy experience with HelloFresh from Aaron. And a 9 out of 10, filling, good flavor. 8 out of 10, there needs to be more food. It was yummy. Well, 10 out of 10, he says. And then 9 out of 10, I like this but prefer mom's food. Aww. So I think we can say that this was a resounding success for our first meal with HelloFresh. Put a description about how in the description how to subscribe to HelloFresh and
Get food from
all the costs and stuff. And also, if you guys liked my video, don't forget to subscribe and push that thumbs up button.